What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist, and today we're going to be looking at this Axial Scx10 kit. It is the Jeep Wrangler edition, which is the only version I think you can get in the kit so far. So this is going to be part one in a series where I'm going to be building this kit. So first of all, let's open the box and overview what's inside it. Alright, so let's open up the box, and the first thing that we will see right on top is the instruction manuals. If I can get the box to stay open. Alright, there we go. So here's the instruction manual and your sticker sheet and window masks. They are all pre-cut, and obviously the instruction manual tells you how to build it. Then right on top we have the licensed Jeep Wrangler Rubicon body. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. It is pre-cut, very nice. Next up we have the licensed Nito Trail Grappler tires. The RA licensed tire by Nito, and they look very scale and should help you cling onto the rocks very well. It also comes with these cool chrome 3-piece bead locks. The next thing that we have in the box is what looks like the transmission and all the plastics. These bags come in everything you need, but that is the transmission with all the gears and casing. The next thing we have are the portal axles. This is one of the trademark features of the Scx10 are these very cool portal axles, so those will be very fun to build and will definitely be unique among other SCX vehicles. The next thing that we have under here is the scale 4-seater interior. You're going to have to paint up that and add the driver, and with that you get the awesome roll cage and inner fenders that go with this body. All of these cool accessories bolt on to make this body look very scale. There you can see the hats and heads. Moving on to the next bag, this has a lot of your plastics, your shock towers, and your bumper mounts, as well as some other plastic components. You got your side guards, and there is your metal servo horn. Putting that aside, here you have the inner fender wells. This is for front and rear, and it also has your scale engine detail in there as well. The next bag you have here is the battery trays. The Scx10 comes with 2 battery trays, one for a large pack and one for a shorty battery. Very cool to have and very useful for people who run different battery packs. Underneath those you have your shock assembly. These come with the newer Capra generation shocks. They are much nicer than the original 10.2 shocks, which had leaking problems. And right under there you have your full 6mm stainless steel links and your steel pivot balls. Very cool to see in an Axial kit finally. And you also have hiding in there your special new bent panhard link. Alright, looking at the last few bags, in here you have your chassis rails. These are adjustable wheelbase from the Vitera Ascender, I believe, and they are now included as the standard Axial kit if you run longer wheelbase or shorter wheelbase bodies. So very nice to see that. Underneath that you have your center drive shafts. These are the plastic slider shafts, very proven design from Axial, very durable, very nice to see. And underneath that you have your body mounting system. This comes with the hidden body mount system for the Jeep body, as well as other body mounts if you want to run different bodies, and it also comes with the panhard mount if you want to get the Axial straight axle kit. Alright, so looking at this body, this is a licensed Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JLU body pre-cut from Axial, and being licensed, it has all of the scale details you could ever want. This is Axial's most scale body yet. It comes with plastic screw-on fenders, vents, and windshield wipers. So let's take a look at this body next to some other things. Here it is next to an Axial Scx24 Chevy C10. Here it is next to an Axial Scx10 Unimog. The Unimog is a shorter wheelbase Scx10, and as you can see, this body is longer than the entire Unimog. Unimog may be a little bit wider at the front, but the G body definitely has more to it. And here it is next to a Force RC Hammerjaw body. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for what videos you'd like to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so that you see this thing get built. That's all for today, everybody. Goodbye.